Marathon Coach. I'm Mal Williams with the sales department here in Coburg, Oregon. This is Marathon Coach number 1261. We're going to go inside and take a look. 1261 is an X3 double slide. So let's go take a look at this coach. You step on up in here, what you're going to see right away is that from the cockpit, we're already in the living quarters. Now, Marathon Coach 1261 is known as the Crocodile Coach because it is a crocodile-themed coach. Not necessarily intentionally, but a lot of the decor and a lot of the accents are kind of in a crocodile pattern. Here we are in the salon of 1261. You've got a sleeper sofa right here on this side. Let me show you what it does. So it articulates, for the lack of a better term, right down to a really good sized sofa. What you do is you put a little wedge pillow in the middle there so you're not feeling that seam down the middle. It's got storage on the back side. Check this out. This is really nice. You got these little pockets on both sides, and then it goes right back up, and if you see, you've got storage underneath also. Right back into a sofa, and then on this side you've got the recliner. So the recliner is one of the most comfortable chairs you'll ever find. Reclines, also sits comfortably when it's straight up. Behind it, you've got additional storage. You also have a magazine rack. But in a Marathon Coach, you want utilization of space, and that's something I'll be telling you about throughout this tour of Coach 1261. Utilization of space means every little area that can be utilized is in a Marathon Coach. And so here's a little pocket storage area, perfect for an iPad, perfect for a laptop. Actually, it goes pretty deep, so you could fit, a couple of larger items in there if need be. As you get a good shot here, going back to the back of the coach, the floors are heated. Really nice and comfortable when you step out onto a heated tile floor. When it's cold outside or cold in the coach and the floor is heated, it's really a nice effect. 1261 has a great feature that all of our coaches have. First of all, everything runs off of an iPad. The iPad is a great interface for the Crestron system because let's say you lose this. It's only $600 to replace it. Also, everybody knows at this point, or if you don't, you're getting there, everybody knows the Apple iOS system. We all have our phones. You can also have this Marathon Crestron system set up on your iPhone, so from away from the coach you can check on it and make changes. Let's take a look right now at one thing that our engineers have done over the years that set the entertainment level. With the push of one button, we go into theater mode. Theater mode drops all of the blinds automatically. As you just see, it dims most of the lights, and it drops down the big 50-inch Samsung up front. And it starts rolling on HDMI 1 or whatever you select. That's a really cool feature. And then with the push of the reverse of the button, all the blinds from the galley to the front of the coach, all the way to the cockpit, they all go up. The lights that were dim come back up. And stowed right above our head is the 50-inch Samsung. Theater mode is a really cool way to end your day, to start your day, and when you head out in the morning to go get your morning coffee and donut, boom, you hit theater stop and all of the blinds go up. TV goes up. It's just a really nice way of doing all of the blinds and the lighting at the same time. The iPads, a great integration on a Marathon Coach, and the docking launch port right here not only holds it securely by magnet, but it charges it as it sits right there. Let's talk about the dinette here in the galley. One thing I like that we really do is we have kind of a dual function dinette. Not only does it have a motorized in-out function, but it also pivots easily so you can get in and out. That's pretty nice. And then once you're in, you can adjust it to where you want it to be. Also, it pivots all the way around. I'll just pivot it out like this. You can have it like a buffet. I really like that because it adds